If you're watching this, I'm guessing you're looking for an easy way to run Twitch giveaways on your stream, knowing that it is a good way to boost engagement. And now there are many other things out there to run giveaways on, such as Nightbot or Stream Elements, but the beauty of running it in StreamerBot is it runs completely local on your own machine, and it really is easy to set up as well. Plus, what I'm showing you here today, I'll step you through, but I'm also going to give it to you for free, and we'll cover that towards the end of the video. And I've broken this down into 4 easy actions that you can just import to your StreamerBot, and it's just going to work. So let's have a look at what's involved. And the first one we're going to look at is called giveaway enter. So the triggers for this will be a command or a channel reward redemption. The command is just !enter giveaway, and that's open to anyone. You can change the permission on that command if you like. The reward redemption is set as 1 channel point, but only 1 use per stream per user as well. So that'll stop duplicate entries as well. But the code that I have wrote today also prevents that, which I'll cover now shortly. So if we wanted to do the enter giveaway, just to see how that works, we come down here to chat, and there we go. It says, thank you to Hooke for entering the giveaway test that has no prizes, because I'm not going to give myself free stuff. So the next one to look at is choosing the giveaway winner. The command is !giveaway winner. Now I've tied this to a mod command. Feel free to change the permissions if you like by just double clicking on the command. But if we do the same thing, we come down to chat and choose giveaway winner. Congratulations Hooke, you're the winner. So the way I have the code set is when a winner is chosen, they're removed from the giveaway list. So that'll stop the same person winning twice in a row, for example. So in this scenario, I was the only entry, so the list is now empty. And the next action you want to go to is winner history. Now this one is going to persist throughout time. I'll show you in a moment how to manually clear it if you want to. But this will keep track of every giveaway you ever do and who won it on what date. So the action is called giveaway history. If you go over here, the command is giveaway history as well, which is quite nice, self-explanatory. So we come down to chat. The !giveaway history. Scroll up. You can see that I have been winning my giveaways all the time because it's not unusual for the person that hosts a raffle to win the raffle, you know? Just saying. But the last one that you want, that you're probably interested in, is how to clear the entries then after. So you've finished your giveaway. You've chosen 3 winners out of the 10 people that entered, and you thought, right, I want to start a new giveaway. So there's one more action for that. It's called giveaway clear entries. So the command, again, !giveaway clear. And again, that's a mod command. Feel free to change the permission if you like. But if we come down to chat and do giveaway clear and zoom in, you'll get giveaway entries have been cleared. And that's it. So I could do the first command again and re-enter the giveaway. So if I do !enter giveaway in chat, and we have a look, it says, thank you to Hooke for entering the giveaway test that has no prize. And I'll show you how to change that message as well. So on the actual enter giveaway action, if you come over to that and come down to here in the sub actions, now none of the sub actions you're going to need to touch unless you want to, feel free to edit. But if you edit the message here at the bottom, so Twitch message, this is where it is getting that message from that's been spat out into chat. So thank you user for entering the giveaway test that has no prizes. So feel free to change that message to be whatever your prize is, for example. And that is pretty much it. Now, as I said at the start of the video, I am giving this away for free. So if you want to get this, it'll be in the link in the description below. Or also you can click on this video where I covered a StreamerBot starter kit. And that includes this along with shoutouts and quotes and a lot of other cool things just to get you started on StreamerBot to take the hassle away. But if you like this, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. All the best.